Alright, everything about this job is just cool. I love it. This is a 94 Camaro, right? Like, just brings me back, man. I get in, and there's a cassette tape in here with a ZZ Top. Ready? Check this out, check this out.
Well, I might not have no top to blow. Then you better blow what you got, baby.
Yeah. And we're putting a new engine in it. I'll see you on the return side. It turned out that it's gonna be a couple days till we get the new engine in. But a lot of people pull this thing out of the bottom. What they'll do is they'll detach the strut mounts and the engine mounts and all that, and basically lift the frame up, cherry picker, hoist, whatever, and drop the engine out of the bottom. Well, I want to be different. I want to see if I can get it out of the top. It has been done. People do it out of the top. I'm gonna pull the engine out of the top kind of guy. So, but let me see. It's part 2. Just let you know where we're at. You know, it's getting there. It's getting there. Right now I'm taking off. I got, you know, all the brackets and the pumps, the water pumps and the power steering pumps, the coils, wiring harnesses and stuff like that. And I'll shoot you guys another video a little later. All right, thank you. To the Camaro. It's out. It's out, it's out, it's out. What's up, man? I'm doing the whole thing. We're gonna bare bone it right back to the block. New gaskets. It's gonna look like a crate motor by the time we're done with this. Well, maybe not, but close, close, close. All right.
Man, just pulled out this engine all by myself. Neal helped me a little bit, but a lot of work. About to put it back in, about to put the new one in.
He's taught me a lot. He's taught me everything I know.
Yeah,
man.
So yeah, I was just changing the what's it called again?
It's
The heads and putting the gaskets on. So yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do it up.
Yep.
He's gonna show me the whole process.
Yeah.
But
ready
what we did find out, you guys, is that check this out. This thing, you probably can't see it on the camera, but if you roll it, anyway, it's bent. So we did a leak down test. Yep. Stuck the compression tester in here, and it's literally like just blowing out the exhaust. So we're gonna either A, send it out, or B, get another motor, but we will keep in tune.
Yep.
Later.
Later. I'm about to try to start it.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. So it turns out that this motor is shit. I think I mentioned a little bit ago that right there. The rods were bent, valves were bent, blowing air out of the exhaust port. So we have another one. But it's gonna look a lot better than that when we're done with it. So again, the Camaro. All right, we're back. Check it out. The Camaro. As you can see, got the rebuilt one suspended over. I'm about to put that mofo in. Alright, it's gonna be fun. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright. Got her in there. We're gonna do some cleaning up and stuff like that. All this stuff, all this. I painted the intake black with the red lettering and stuff to match the interior. But other than that, she's coming together. Here we go.
Alright,
About to start it for the first time. Cross your fingers.
Okay, let me record you starting it. Ready?
Ready? Yeah. It's beautiful, man. Oh, wait. We gotta keep it original. We're gonna keep it original. Oh, where's it at? Got to.
Give me a little bit of time. You can